update today and for tomorrow as well, and maybe even further, everybody. I'm showing a re-strengthening is possible. Now we have Tropical Storm Arthur. I have the cone impacts, all the watches and warnings, plus the severe weather to the north. I have new information on the impacts you're going to get up there as well. Now we have PTC 1. This is going to turn into Tropical Storm Arthur. Nothing's going to change except the name of it. Right now it's moving northeast at 9 miles per hour, 22 miles per hour sustained winds. And you can see all the flood warnings that's happening for Texas, Louisiana, going across into Mississippi, also going into Alabama. This is going to start adding up for Alabama, eventually the western Florida Panhandle, and for Georgia. So as we turn this off and get a better look of what's happening here, you can see the storm system over here getting itself together rather nicely, and you can see the wind possibilities. So this blue line right here, this is your tropical storm watch. It's all about timing. It will turn into warnings. So it's going all the way from Bay City to Lake Jackson and Galveston. Also this blue circle right here, this is where you can see up to tropical storm force winds. This is sustained winds. They're expecting up to 30 miles per hour. You could see a little bit more, but not much. Also, you can see this goes all the way from the tropical storm watch all the way across Louisiana, and you can see the blue circle right here so far of what the tropical storm force winds will be. And it goes all the way from Port Arthur all the way a little bit further off the coast over here, a little south of Lake Charles by Cameron and Hackberry. Now you also need to watch around the West Bank, also for Houma, LaPlace, just over here for New Orleans, because I'm showing this is where your big tornado threat is going to be as well. But you also have the tropical storm watch going all the way past Franklin and Morgan City. This will become warnings as the impacts get closer. So let's turn this back on and let's go back to the latest updates of what you can expect from this system. You can see they do expect it to go all the way towards that tropical storm and stay pretty strong of a 40 miles per hour sustained winds of tropical storm, 52 miles per hour wind gusts. And this will put all your tornado threat on the eastern side of the system. So be aware just south of Lake Charles from Cameron all the way towards New Iberia. This whole section right here is going to get very impacted come tomorrow. Plus the severe weather to the north, the storm